when you're looking through your microscope. It will not be immediately clear what you are looking at. So Googling skills are quite useful. Hey, I know this guy. This is an Orpheus in a lava stadium. Longer than it took to film these creatures, was my search on the internet. When the search is very difficult, the whole prize is that you can name a species after yourself. Well, I guess no Heterotrich the micro this time. Just my luck. This is a Spirostomum from the class Heterotrich, which is a ciliate. Species of Spirostomum are found in both salt and fresh water. They are elongated, flexible and highly contractile. Although unicellular, members of some species can grow as long as 4 mm. Their family name is Spirostomidae. Certain species have proven to be sensitive to the presence of heavy metals, and have been used by ecologists as indicators of water purity. I think this is a Spirostomum teres, but I am not sure. It has a kind of head structure, which I couldn't find in the literature. Maybe still a Spirostomum the micro then? The head is not on the front per se, it swims just as easily backward. However, it poops on the other end. Still, that is not conclusive in this realm. They are regarded as one of the fastest animals on the earth, maybe the fastest. It's quite difficult to keep it in sight, to say the least. And this is a glimpse of a lacrimaria or. Apparently it is stuck, but he has some reach. Thank you for watching, and if you like this content, I specially build a subscribe button for that. See you next time.